Hey guys, currently Treyarch is doing a live stream talking a little bit about some of the changes they've made in multiplayer and also Blackout after the betas. And just moments ago, they were talking to David Vonderhaar, asking him some questions, and in the background you could see a player inside of the cemetery area fighting zombies. They shot a couple of zombies and then stopped for a moment, and there was something on the ground that's different from anything we've ever seen before, and you're actually able to pick it up, and it is racing goggles and scarf. And huge shout out to Oxenate on Twitter. He's the one that actually caught it and he tweeted it out, so big shout out to him. So we know for Blackout there are zombie characters that we can play as, but we have to unlock them, and there's the Premise crew and also the Chaos crew. In an earlier interview, David Vonderhaar let us know that these characters are going to be locked and we have to do certain quests to actually unlock them, and that the first step to starting this quest is to find an item that is associated with that character. I had done a video where I went really closely and looked at all of the characters, and I had noticed that Scarlett was wearing a scarf and also some goggles on her left hip, and I noticed the goggles because they look a lot like Takio's goggles. Here's a better look at her right here in Blackout, and you can see on her left leg right there, those are the green goggles, and then the red scarf she's wearing around her neck. So it definitely looks like this item here that you pick up by shooting a zombie is what you're going to need to start her quest. It says that they are racing goggles, and that's definitely what they look like, and it almost looks like there's a red scarf in that little picture, and so that matches up there. So it looks like the first step is to get to a zombie location, and maybe even just the graveyard, and kill some zombies until one of them drops a racing goggles and scarf pickup. Go ahead and pick that up. After picking it up, there's a good possibility that you need to finish in one of the top numbers, like top 5, 10, or even 15. There was nothing on screen to let you know that you have this item and now you need to do other things, but you never know. We'll have to wait until the game actually releases, but this is definitely a good start to let us know what to expect. But I hope this helped you guys out, and we'll see you next video.
Thank you for watching Glitching Queen's video. Hoorah!